All right, in this video, I want to talk about something that has been the demise and the death of real estate deals that should have happened, and that is poor communication with home inspectors. Now, now, by the way, we're not here to slam home inspectors. That is not the goal. But how you communicate is absolutely key. So whenever I speak with a home inspector, I always tell them, give me the facts and just the facts. I don't want their personal spin on it. I don't want all their personal opinions on it. I just want the facts. There's an old Tony Robbins phrase, you may have heard it, where it says, see things for what they are, not for more than they are, not for what they're or less. Don't make things better than they actually are, but don't make them worse either. Okay. And I've seen too many times where a home inspector will put an item and you'll ask the question about it, and they just end up, and it just becomes this emotional um, thing where they paint the worst case scenarios of what could happen. And sometimes it's because you or maybe your agent, or if you're an agent, you're watching this, you may ask, hey, what's the worst that could happen? The problem with these questions is not that they shouldn't be asked, as they should be asked, but we got to keep the answers just to the facts. Okay. And too many times I've seen where a simple problem that could be fixed for, say, $100 all of a sudden gets turned into a $10,000 issue, when in reality, it was never going to be a $10,000 issue. It was just a small thing, but you paint the worst case scenario. And that's not good either, because then deals don't happen over tiny things that are inconsequential at best and a slight issue at worst. It's almost like the idea of don't get in your car and drive because somebody could run a stop sign and hit you. That's true. That could happen every single day, but are you going to stop driving because of that? Probably not. Matter of fact, you're probably in a whole lot more dangerous situations driving your car than in 99% of the issues that come up with houses. So why do we get so wound up over little things? So do me a favor, when you talk to your home inspectors, or if you're an agent, they're talking to a home inspector, stick to the facts, and only the facts. Keep the emotion out of it. Keep the opinion out of it. Just state it for what it is. State who should look at it to take a look at it, whatever the issue may be, whatever contractor that is, and then go from there. Stick to the facts. Makes transactions much easier to get done. Hope this helps. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, and I look forward to seeing you down the road. Thanks.